Hello everyone, welcome to day 252 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, we are looking at how to crochet this Providence stitch. So this stitch is crocheted on a multiple of 29 plus 5, and I'm going to be doing this in two parts. In this part, that is the part 1, we are going to do from row 1 to 6. To start off row 1, we have a foundation row which is a multiple of 29 plus 5, a total of 63 chains. Into the fourth chain from the hook, you're going to make one triple crochet. So that's 1 2 3 and 4. Into the fourth one, make one triple crochet. Now chain 4, skip 4 and make one double crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. So 1 2 3 4, you skip 4. Into the fifth one, you make one double crochet and one double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Chain 3, skip 2, 1 and 2 and make 5 triple crochets into the next 5 stitches. So one triple crochet into each of the next 5 stitches. Okay. Now this is where our pattern repeat starts. You already have 5 triple crochets. You're going to start your repeat row from here. That is, you're going to make another 5 triple crochet stitches, one into each of the next 5 chains, which will bring up the total to 10 triple crochet stitches. But a repeat row starts with a repeat. The pattern repeat for this row starts at the second 5 triple crochet stitches, that is from here. It will make sense once I complete the repeat row. So at the end of these 5 triple crochets, you should have a total of 10 triple crochet stitches. 1 2 3 10. Okay. Now chain 3, skip 2 and make one double crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. Again chain 4, skip 4 and into the fifth one you're going to make one puff stitch, which is this puff stitch right here. You can choose to do how many ever yarn over puff stitch you want. I'm going to do 3. Okay, now again chain 4, skip 4 and make 3 triple crochet stitches. three double crochet stitches. So before and after the puff stitch we are making double crochet stitches. Now again chain 3, skip 2 and make 5 triple crochet stitches, which will be the end of the pattern repeat of this row. That is, if you have more number of stitches, say like if you have done a multiple of 29 into 5 or 6, you will be continuing to make these stitches from the 5 triple crochet to this particular 5 triple crochet till you are left with okay, so till you are left with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 stitches. Until you have 15 chains left, you are going to continue the repeat pattern from this 5 triple crochet to this. So after this you will again do 5 triple crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 4, puff stitch, chain 4, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 5 triple crochet. Okay, so this part is the pattern repeat. Now since I only have 15 stitches left here, I'm going to end the work. So to end the work, again you're going to do what is left after these 5 stitches. So this part of it, the starting portion. So 5 triple crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 4 and 2 double crochet, 2 triple crochet, sorry. So 5 triple crochets. So that's 1. Always the starting and the ending will be the mirror of each other. So whatever we did at the start, right before the repeat row, we are doing it in reverse. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay. Again chain 3, skip 2, make 3 double crochets, again chain 4, skip 4 and make 1 triple crochet into the last 2 stitches. If your work ends exactly at the triple crochet, it means you've got this row right. Otherwise, please go back and check your stitches. Okay. Now we are moving on to row 2, from which our repeat rows start. So row 2 is the first row of the repeat rows. So start with the chain 3, turn your work, and into this triple crochet from the previous stitch you're going to make 2 triple crochet stitches. That is, we are going to increase this particular stitch. Okay, so once you're done with the 2 triple crochet stitch, this is how your work will look. Here we land into the first chain 4 space. You're going to make 6 triple crochets into that chain 4 space. That is the first chain 4 space. 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 6 triple crochets into the chain 4 space. Now we are going to make 3 chains and we are going to jump into these 5 triple crochet stitches right here. Okay, so this part is split into 2. The first group where we do a puff stitch in between, and the second group where we do another puff stitch in between. So for the first group, we are going to start off with the front post triple crochet stitch. Okay, a front post triple crochet stitch. Okay, and the next one will be a back post triple crochet stitch. Now we are going to make a puff stitch, which will be again a front post puff stitch, which is just like a normal puff stitch, just that you have to make it around the post instead of the stitch. I'm making a 3 yarn over puff stitch. Again, so this is a front post, so you move on to a back post triple crochet. Again a front post triple crochet. Okay, that completes your first set of 5 stitches. The second set again starts with the front post, but then we are making this part right here. So you want these puff stitches to split away like this. So in between there is a chain 3. So between the 2 sets of 5 stitches, you are going to make a chain 3. So here we have skipped these 3 stitches which we have added here. Now again your work starts with a front post triple crochet, a back post triple crochet, a front post puff stitch, that is a 3 yarn over front post puff stitch, okay, and a back post triple crochet, and a front post triple crochet. Again a chain 3, make 6 triple crochets into these 2 spaces here. Okay, so again we are skipping, so basically we are skipping all the double crochets from the previous row and we are working only into the chain space and the triple crochet stitches. Okay, so now you're going to we have already chained 3 and we are going to skip these 3 double crochet stitches here and make 6 triple crochets into the chain 4 space right before the previous row's puff stitch. So on either side we are making 6 triple crochet stitches. So make sure to count each and every stitch in this particular stitch pattern because it is easy to miss these chain two spaces, or is easy to miss just one triple crochet, but then when you move on to the next row you'll not be able to proceed. So make sure you stop and count at end of each section. Now on top of the puff stitch we are going to make 3 triple crochet stitches. Okay, that will bring up the total triple crochets to 9, and again you'll make 6 triple crochet stitches into the next chain 4 space, which will bring up the total number of triple crochets to 15. So there is 6 triple crochets here, 6 triple crochets on top of the puff stitch, and 6 triple crochets onto this space right here. Okay, so you just gather everything together. Again chain 3. You're going to skip this double crochet and work your groups of 5 front post back post stitches. So the first group, which starts with the front post, a back post triple crochet, 3 yarn over front post puff stitch, a back post triple crochet, and a front post triple crochet. So that completes our first set of 5 stitches. Chain 3 and start the second set again with the front post triple crochet. Front post puff stitch, okay, back post triple crochet, and front post triple crochet. Again chain 3, skip the double crochet, into the chain 4 space you are making 6 triple crochet stitches. Again I'm at the end of the row, so I'm just continuing it. Your repeat row for the pattern repeat for this particular row is this part, that is from the second set of 5 stitches to the first set of 5 stitches on this side. You just repeat that over and over again till you reach the end of the work, where you will just have 5 triple crochet stitches, a 3 double crochet and a chain 4 space and a triple crochet left. So you will have this much left at the end of the row. That means you have reached the end of the row. So here we'll just do the same stitches that we did at the start in reverse. We did 6. We started off with an increase and 6 triple crochet. So now we are on this side, it is 6 triple crochet, an increase, and 1 normal triple crochet. So I've done 6 triple crochets into the chain 4 space. Now I'll have to make an increase triple crochet, that is 2 triple crochets into the same stitch, and 1 more triple crochet at the last stitch, which will be the turning chain from the previous row. Okay, So that completes your row 2. It should look something like this. You can see that we have already created the base for the Providence stitch where these two are going to be splitting and joining like this. Now moving on to row 3. You start off with one chain, turn your work, make one double crochet into the next 7 triple crochets from the previous row. That is, we'll skip 2 triple crochets from here. You'll just continue making one double crochet till you are left with just 2 triple crochets, which will bring up the total to 7 double crochet stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so now you're going to chain 3, which will bring us to the chain 3 space, which we'll skip. And here we just have to maintain the texture. So this puff stitch part is the front of the work. So if you have done a front post here, you'll have to do a back post on this side. You know that it gets reversed once we turn our work. So here it starts with the back post. The easier way is it starts with the back post. So back post triple crochet or front post triple crochet, and there is no point making a puff stitch on this side because it will be at the back and it will not be visible. So instead of a puff stitch, we can just make a back post triple crochet. And front post triple crochet. Your first group ends with a back post triple crochet and will be at the chain 3 spot where we'll be making 3 chains and a double triple crochet into this space here. Again chain 3 and continue with your next set of 5 stitches. So here we have a back post, so you maintain the back post and front post, a back post triple on top of the puff stitch, and a front post triple, and the second set ends with a back post triple. Okay. Now we'll reach this space right here, which again we are going to skip with a chain 3, and on we have 15 triple crochets here. We're just going to work 11 triple crochets here instead of 15. So you skip 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and you just make one double crochet on top of each of those 11 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay. Now again you chain 3. Start off with your set of 5 stitches. So we are starting off with the back post back post triple crochet, maintaining the texture at the front, back post, front post triple crochet, a back post triple crochet over the puff stitch, a front post triple crochet, and a back post triple crochet. Moving on to the chain stitch in between, you're going to chain 3, make one double triple crochet, that is yarn over thrice into this part right here, into the chain, again chain 3, continue with your next set of 5 stitches, starting with the back post triple crochet. A back post triple crochet on top of the puff stitch, then a front post triple crochet, and your second set of 5 stitches ends with the back post triple crochet stitch. Okay, so now if you're going to do the row repeat, your repeat row starts from this triple crochet to this triple crochet right here. Okay, so until you have only the second set of 5 stitches and the ending stitches left, you're going to continue making the stitches from this triple crochet till here. Okay, now I'm at the end of the work, so you're going to chain 3, skip the 2 stitches and make 7 double crochet stitches on top of the 7 triple crochets from the previous row. That would bring us to the end of row 3. The last stitch will be on top of the turning chain. Okay, now that is our end of row 3. For row 4, again chain 1, turn your work, and this time we are going to skip 3 stitches. So into the first 4 stitches you're going to make 1 double crochet into each. Okay, now we're going to make a chain 3, skip these 3 stitches and this space right here, and we are moving on to the 5 stitches here. You will again maintain the texture. If there is a front post, you will make a front post. If there is a back post, you'll make a back post. And because we are at the even row, you'll be making the puff stitch as well. So our work in this row starts with a front post triple crochet, then a back post triple crochet, a front post puff stitch, a front post puff stitch, a back post triple crochet, and a front post triple crochet. Now we have landed at the chain 3 space. Where we'll be making 2 double crochet stitches into the space and 1 double crochet on top of the triple crochet and 2 double crochets into the next chain 3 space, and then we move on to our next set of 5 stitches where we start with the front post triple crochet, you have to chain 3 before the double crochet stitch. So before this you have to chain 3, 1 2 3, and make 2 double crochets into the chain 3 space and 1 double crochet on top of the triple crochet and 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space, again chain 3, and start your next set of 5 stitches with a front post triple crochet, a back post triple crochet, the front post puff stitch, a back post triple crochet, and a front post triple crochet. Okay. Now which will bring us to the 11 double crochet stitches with chain 3, and we are going to skip 3 stitches on either side, which will only which will bring down our total number of double crochets to 5. So skip the 3 stitches and make 5 double crochet stitches, okay, and again skip the next 3 stitches, make a chain 3, which will bring you to the next set of 5 front post back post stitches. You will continue to make the same thing as you did on this side. A front post triple crochet, a back post triple crochet, the front post puff stitch, a back post triple crochet, and a front post triple crochet, which then we will land at the chain 3 space where you will start off with the chain 3, make 2 double crochets and make 1 double crochet on top of the triple crochet and 2 more double crochet stitches. So now if you compare these 2 parts, they are kind of similar. You see this is the bottom bottom of the eye which you are making, and this is the topmost part of the eye. So basically here we are doing half of the eye, and here we are doing the full eye on both sides. So we are just kind of interlacing this particular Providence eye, dividing it into half on the bottom and on the sides as well. On the sides also, if you notice, it is half of this particular stitch, so this part. Okay, so that is the logic behind the stitch. So basically you're just creating half of the stitch, and we are also creating half of this portion. Okay, now once you're done with the 5 double crochet stitches, you're again going to chain 3 and move on to the front post back post stitches here. It really helps to crochet along for stitches that are this complicated, because once you do these steps, you'll understand the logic behind it and you'll be able to crochet on your own. Okay, now again you're going to skip 3 stitches here, chain 3. So skip the 3 stitches here and you'll be making 4 double crochet stitches. The last stitch will be on top of the chain 3, sorry, the chain 1 from the previous row. Okay, so that is end of row number 4. For row number 5, we are again going to expand our eye on either side. Okay, so we are, which is kind of the repeat row of row number 1. So you start off with a chain 3, turn your work, make 1 triple crochet onto the very next stitch. Okay, now you're going to skip the next 2 stitches and make a chain 3, chain 1, 2, 3, and we are moving on to the front post back post stitch and maintaining the stitches. So here there is a back post, so you are going to make a back post triple crochet, then a front post triple crochet, again over the puff stitch you are going to make a back post puff, a triple crochet, a front post triple crochet, and a back post triple crochet. So that ends the first 5 stitches, which will lead us to the chain 3 space where into the chain 3 space you'll be making, so start off with the chain 3 and into the chain 3 space you'll be making 3 double crochets. On top of the 5 double crochets, you'll be making 5 double crochets. And 5. Again into the chain 3, you'll be making 3 double crochets, which will bring up the total number of double crochets to 11, which is same as this particular row here. Okay. Now, once you're done with these 11 double crochet stitches, chain 3 and start off with your next set of 5 front post back post stitches. So starting off with a back post triple crochet, then a front post triple crochet, over the puff stitch we'll make a back post triple crochet, a front post triple crochet, and a back post triple crochet. Now we are at the chain 3 space. This time we'll skip this chain 3 with a chain 3, and we'll be leaving 2 stitches on either side, and into the middle stitch you'll be making 1 triple crochet. Okay, again chain 3, and you move on to the next set of 5 stitches, making a back post triple crochet, front post triple crochet, back post triple crochet over the puff stitch, front post triple crochet, and a back post triple crochet, which will bring us to the chain 3 space. Into the chain 3 space you'll be making 3 double crochets. Before that, chain 3 and make 3 double crochets. On top of the 5 double crochets you'll be making 1 double crochet on top of each of those stitches, which will add up to 11 double crochet stitches, including the chain 3 double crochet stitches after this, including the 3 double crochets into this space. So into the next chain 3 space you'll make 3 double crochets, which will bring up the total of 11 double crochet stitches. Now again you chain 3 and start off with your front post back post stitch. You start off with a back post triple crochet, front post triple crochet, a back post triple crochet on top of the puff stitch, a front post triple crochet, and a back post triple crochet. Again chain 3, you will skip 2 stitches and make 1 double crochet on top of each of these stitches. So that is end of row number 5. Moving on to row 6, we're going to chain 3, turn your work, make 1 triple crochet on top of this stitch, chain 1, and you're going to start your 5 front post back post group. You start off with a front post, then a back post, then a front post puff stitch, then a back post triple crochet, front post triple crochet, which will bring us to the chain 3 space. Okay, so make another chain 3, and into the chain 3 space you'll be working 2 triple crochet stitches. Okay, and into these 11 stitches you're going to work 2 triple crochets into the first 2 stitches. That's 1, 2, and you're going to work a triple crochet decrease into the next 6 stitches. So that's 1, 2, that's 1 decrease, again into the next 2 stitches, that's 1, okay. So 3. Okay, so you see these 5 stitches here. You're going to skip this middle stitch right here and go into the next stitch and work a decrease. Okay, again work 1 decrease into the next 2 stitches. Okay, you see that? So the 5 stitches from the so the 5 stitches from the previous row, you start with a decrease, that is you take 1 from this group of double crochet, 1 from this 5, and then the middle 3 stitches you're decreasing into 1 stitch, and again you're working a decrease. Now you'll be left with 2 stitches where you'll be making 1 triple crochet into each. Okay, you'll again land at the chain 3 where you will make another chain 3, where you'll make a 2 triple crochet stitches and then a chain 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Moving on to the next set of 5 front post back post stitches. Okay, now we are reaching the middle part, okay, where you will just make 3 chains which will kind of close this particular half eye right here. If you can see that, I'll just make the next front post triple crochet, you'll be able to see it better. Okay, so that ends this part of the eye. Now we are going to repeat what you did on this side as well. Back post. So complete the group of 5 stitches. Okay, again you are at the chain 3 space where you make a chain 3 and work 2 triple crochets into this, into the chain 3 from the previous space, work 2 triple crochets into the next 2 double crochet stitches, which will leave you with just 1 which will leave you with just one stitch from the previous row's 3 double crochet stitches, and you will reach the 5 double crochet stitches. So pick up one of the stitch for your decrease and pick up the first stitch from the set of 5 and make one decrease. Now move on to the next stitch, start the decrease, skip one stitch which will be the middle of the 5 stitches. Okay, this one, you'll skip that stitch, move on to the next stitch, complete your decrease and start your next decrease. So that completes your 3 decrease stitches, and now you make 2 triple crochets on the leftover 2 stitches. Two triple crochets into the chain 3 space, make another chain 3 and move on to your group of 5 front post back post stitches. Chain 3 and make 2 triple crochet stitches at the end of the row. So that completes the part 1. Okay, complete till this, and I'll meet you back tomorrow with part 2 of this particular stitch.